If you're looking for a quick and effective way to teach your child to read using just 5 simple letters, you're in the right place. In this lesson, we'll dive into the short I sound, and by the end, your child will be reading words like fin and pit with confidence. Let's get started. We'll keep it simple with 2 easy steps. Number 1, get familiar with the letters that we're using, and number 2, build and sound out words. On to step 1, getting familiar with the letters that we're using. Today we'll be using the letters I, T, F, N, and P. We'll start by going over the letter I. This is our vowel, and today we're going to focus on the short I sound, I, as in igloo. You'll hear this sound in every word that we make today. Next letter is T. The letter T makes one basic sound, T, as in take or tell. Then we have the letter F. The letter F makes this sound, F, as in fun. Now let's talk about the letter N. The letter N makes this sound, N, as in nest. Finally, we have the letter P. The letter P makes this sound, P, as in pig or park. Now, sometimes people will add an extra sound after the P, so it becomes P. And usually people do this so that it's more audible, but try not to add that extra sound. And instead of P, we'll keep it P. It makes it easier for kids to build words with the sound whenever they know the correct sound. All right, on to step 2, building and sounding out words. So today I'm using a white dry erase board that's magnetized, foam letters that have magnets on the back, round magnets, a dry erase eraser, and a dry erase marker. So today we're going to start with a 2-letter word. I'm going to move the letters I and T onto my board, and I'm going to put these round magnets underneath each one to sound out the individual letter sounds, and I'm going to use my dry erase marker to draw a line underneath the word, which we'll use to blend those sounds together. All right, let's give it a go. It. All right, so next we're going to add the letter F to this word. Add a round marker, a round magnet, and extend our line. So one thing that I want you to notice is that for this and also the word after, they both have that it sound at the end. So if you start with a 2-letter word, like this one, like IT, it, and then you add letters to the beginning, it helps your child to be able to identify that ending sound more easily. All right, so let's sound out this word. It, fit. Now we're going to change the letter P for the letter F for the letter P, and we'll sound out this new word. It, pit. Great. Now we're going to put the letter P back. I'm going to put the letter T back, and I'm going to make a new base word here. So this word is obviously a 2-letter word. We're going to sound it out now. In. Great. Now what you'll notice coming up is that the next 3 words also end with the letters I-N. So once you start with this short 2-letter word, in, then your children or child will know the ending sound for the next 3 words that are coming up. All right, so we're going to start that out by adding the letter F to the beginning of this word, adding a round magnet, and we're going to extend our line underneath the full word. All right, now let's sound this out. In, fin. Great. Now we're going to exchange the letter F for the letter T, and we'll sound out this new word. In, tin. And our last word, we're going to change the letter T for the letter P, and we'll sound out this last word. In, pin. Great. Now with just 5 letters from the alphabet, we have created 7 different words. For more fun and simple reading lessons like this one, make sure to check out the other videos in this playlist. And if you're looking for a comprehensive resource to help your child learn how to read, I'd recommend that you take a look at my Simple Words reading kit in the description down below. It's what I used to help my daughter learn to read. Happy reading!